Hey, how's it going? It's Thursday, November 21st. Whoopee. It's like 4 o'clock. Spent the day playing on the porch. So this makes it number 7. Anyway, probably spent like 4 hours out here jerking around with this thing. Short up here, take a look. Doesn't look like a whole lot, but believe me, it's a whole lot. Look at this deck. What a mess. Place needs a whole tear down. Yeah, so I took out another post, another column, and fixed this one. This is the one that was split, totally split. Glued the hell out of it, tightened it up. It should be good tomorrow. These joists, I was going to switch directions on the joists off the girder, but I figured this way I could just run straight planks, tongue and groove flooring right out through the whole octagon. Make my life much easier. And so I took out this rotten piece of crap. This is the corner where the whole rim joist just rotted out, and the column dropped, as you can see, the full 6, almost 7 inches to the concrete. It was that was gone. So that's replaced to the next post. So I got all the rim joists done. Got in a bunch of joists. These things have been laying out in the weather for 3 years. Out on the porch anyway. So they look like crap. But yeah, so that much is done. And that's about the easy part. Look at this friggin' roof. Wow, look at that. The skylight coming through the roof. Yeah, you can see right through the roof. Oh, God. I'll probably get done, put the floor down, the entire roof will fall down right on top of my brand new floor. Yeah, well, you know, it's the way things go in my life, I guess. All this needs to be redone. Look at this. This is the other steps going up. Oh, boy. All this decking needs to be replaced. This is the screened in section of the porch. I'm probably going to rescreen everything again if I live through this. So, anyway, let's see if I can fall. Oh. Ouch. So, yeah, this is the pile of stuff that's left over. I'll probably take these columns into the shop and paint them up. Heat it up and get them painted. So, alright. That's that. Another boring video. Not much really exciting happening, but maybe the porch will fall down. That's exciting. Alright, I'm done. I'm friggin' exhausted. It's been a long week. We did 2 picks. Picked up a bunch of heavy stuff, and I'm dying. I have to go back and get more heavy stuff tomorrow. So, there will be a barn sale this weekend. 10 to 4, Saturday and Sunday. Come and get it. There's a whole crap load of new stuff. So, talk to you soon. Have a good day.